When you join Seesaw, this would be the first screen that you see. It's easy and you can click sign up for free. From there you can choose if you're a teacher or a student or a parent and quickly fill in some information. I've already created an account, so I'll have to use another email to create an account. So you can see that Seesaw is a student-driven digital portfolio. You can use it to empower your students to create, reflect, share, and collaborate. Nothing's shared without teacher approval. And you can invite families to Seesaw to keep them in the loop about their child's learning. So from there you would name your class. And pick which grade it is. And you can see here that students will be able to sign in on an iPad using a QR code that you can just leave posted in your classroom somewhere. From here you'd create your student class list. Because school is not in session right now, I'll just pick a name to add a student. And when you sign in, you see this nice 60-second video.
Welcome to Seesaw. Seesaw is a digital portfolio that your students will use to showcase and share their learning. Students will add photos, videos, drawings, voice recordings, PDFs, and much more to their learning journal. All classwork gets organized in one place. Connect families to Seesaw and they'll be notified of every new post. Families only see their own child's work after it's been approved by the teacher. Now, let's get started. Use the green add button to create your first post. See how easy it is to get started with Seesaw.
And then when you click up here, you can add a post like sending an announcement to your class of an assignment that they need to do, or add student work to a journal. You see that you have 6 different choices here. I had and played with some of the features and pretended to be a student and create classwork. So a few of the things that I did is I uploaded a picture here. Here I uploaded a video and I connected a website link, which would be a nice thing for students to do to show where their research is from, or it's a nice thing to give out to students so that they have a way to access a website without having to type in a long code or access a video. And here I use the drawing tool. I use this just to make a quick visualization of the BFG. You can add labels to your pictures. You can add a caption to your picture, or you can even have students record and explain their pictures. If you're posting, you can either post a photo, a video, a drawing, a link, a note, which is just a nice notepad area for students to type, or a file that they may have created somewhere else. You can create a class blog to put work on, and then students can send you messages with questions, or you can send out announcements to the students or families. And you can send announcements to families, check out our new visualization diagrams we've made, or keep them updated with things going in class. If you upgrade, there's a thing where you can insert some grading and assessments, but I have chosen not to do that for now. Over here you can see that you can add students easily. You can get the class code to easily print out or text to families. And it's easy to invite families and turn on family access so they can come in and see student work as well. And here's a nice calendar feature so you can see when students turn things in, if you set due dates and other things like that. This is just a brief overview of Seesaw.